Hello and welcome. I am gonna vlog, just a regular old vlog today. I'm gonna go outside because it's nice and, oh, it's not actually warm. Whew. It is, what day is it? Friday? No, Monday. It is Monday. Steve and the kids are gone to St. John's and I'm heading to Cow Hwad for 3 days. Today I am just basically getting ready to go. I'm gonna make some food to take. I'm gonna do some editing. Hear my cat somewhere. I gotta pick up some things for the cats, so our neighbors are gonna look after them. And I have a lesson for a wedding dance at 6. So I can't actually leave here until like 7:15 at the earliest. So I won't get there till like 9, which is fine. I mean, it doesn't get dark till 9:30, so it should be okay. But I thought I would just vlog like today because the kids aren't around, so I won't get interrupted. And yeah, so I am staying up there till Friday morning. The show opens Thursday night, and that's what's going on. I'm actually baking cookies right now. I made the cookie dough last night and made some cookies for the kids, and they took them today with them. Well, they ate a bunch last night, but they took them today. And there was some dough left over that I didn't bake. You don't cook cookies, right? You bake them. Anyway, I've got some in the oven. Still got another bit there that I can bake. Yeah, so I'm gonna make a salad. I already made a mac and cheese to take with me. The water feature is still here. I don't want to talk about it. But I'm gonna make a black bean corn salad. It's like tomatoes, black beans, corn, avocado, red onion, and tomatoes. Did I say tomatoes? Anyway, and you eat it with chips, like a salsa type thing. But I'm gonna make that and take that with me because that'll be a good lunch tomorrow and the next day. I might do like a short of putting that together. My arm's getting tired. So now I'm gonna do some computer stuff while the cookies are in the oven because I've been neglecting my editing. And I need to pack some clothes, not just food. To pack some clothes. Okay, so I just finished posting a video for today. I wasn't going to post today. I've been mostly thinking of posting Tuesdays and Fridays. It just seems to be what naturally happens. But I wanted to get one up today because I don't know if I'll get one up the next couple of days because of internet situations in Cow Hwad. So I'm actually going to run to Walmart now and pick up some cat treats because our cat has destroyed the cat treats. There's nothing but cat treat dust left. Anyway. Okay, so it's evening out there. Once I got out and up by Walmart, it was very warm. Anyway, so I'm back and I'm gonna make this salad. What's on my, oh, something on my phone. That was on my neck. I'm gonna make this salad now to take with me. So it's black beans and corn and red onion, tomatoes, avocado. I'm not really sure what the dressing is. I'm not even pointing this at myself. I've got olive oil, lemon. I don't know, maybe balsamic. I don't know what the dressing is. I'm gonna have to find the video that I saw this on. But anyway, I'm gonna make it and I'll just figure it out as I go. So I just made the salad. I made a short. I'm not really sure how it's gonna turn out because I didn't do it the same way I normally do. Anyway, if I made it and it turned out, I'll post card. I will put it in a card. There we go. Anyway, this is what it looks like. I just had it, I just tasted it for the short, for the video. And it is really good. All I did was salt and pepper, garlic powder, and I added a little paprika just to get kind of like a mix. I don't like spice. I mean, you could totally put jalapenos. And there's some onion peel. You could totally put jalapenos in here. I am not that person. This is delicious.
Much later.
Many hours later, I taught my lesson. It is 7:10, and I just filled the car up with gas and we're off on the road. My lesson went really well. They kept telling me they couldn't dance, but I tell you, they could. I threw some things at them that if they couldn't dance, there was no way they would be able to do. So they did fine. So I am hitting the road now. I should be there by 9. So we'll see how long it takes me. It's a beautiful evening, so that's a good thing. Ropes across the driveway and everything. Oh well, I'll get them on the way back. Okay, I'm here. Pretty sure this is a house, but we'll find out. So, tiny little room. There's the ceiling. Okay, so I came in this door. Tiny little kitchen. Everything's tiny. What am I saying? Dining room. Steep stairs. Bathroom. Everything is, that's the one bathroom, I think. Washer, dryer, main door, picture of Joey Smallwood, and the harbor. All right, get some stuff in. I just sat on the bed. That's noisy. Anyway, I'm gonna eat my salad and chips and see if I can watch something on my pewter. I don't know if there is the internet or not, but I'm gonna find out. But my little tiny porthole window, it feels like on a boat, has a pretty nice view. Through the screen anyway, it's pretty nice. Dirty window. But yeah, nice sunset. Anyway, I'm gonna have my snack and see if I can find internet to watch something on my computer. And this is it for today. Thanks for watching. Tomorrow we'll bring more adventures in Cow Hwad. So rehearsal starts at 10 and it's in the theater, so that'll be good. And maybe I'll just edit. I don't know. I'm kind of tired and I kind of have a headache. So yeah, I need some water. That'll help. Okay, anyway, that's it for me. Hope you're having a great day. do subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.